So today I'm going to remove my 2006 to 2008 style IS250 350 taillights. The one with mine's got the red outs here, but they usually have the amber turn signals, and I'm going to swap them with the new VLAND brand aftermarket swoosh style 2000, the 3IS style taillights that I got on eBay. So I'm going to take this apart and show you how to install show everybody how to basically take off all these panels underneath here, unbolt these bolts for the trunk lights, and then for these side lights you gotta tuck pop these little clips off here, right here, and take this piece off, and then slide this over and unbolt these tail lights. So one of the things you'll notice when you take off your old tail lights is around the screw holes there's this rubber gasket. It might be stuck on the car side or stuck on the back of the tail light, but you got to remove those off the old tail lights and transfer them to the new. So just remember to do that when you take it out. So it's just a little protection gasket between the screw mount and then your paint on your trunk lid. So I've got both the inners out right now, and I'm just removing those and then comparing the two different inners and outers. The one funny thing I saw is on the aftermarket China one, they've got this, twist on like it's a regular bulb, but it's just the wires go through and then they connect to the LEDs. On the OEM, I don't know, I guess at one point in time they were intending to use regular incandescent bulbs, and then they converted to LED, because really it's just this LED harness over here. So I don't know why they even have this molding on the cutout, or the cutout on the mold, but that's weird. So I've got all four pieces of the OEM off, sitting on the table. We've got the aftermarket ones on this side ready to go, so I'm gonna Alright, so overall, I'm pretty happy with the fitment. It's probably a 9 out of 10. If you look closely, there's, you know, it doesn't sit as flush right down here. It's maybe like a 1/16 of a gap. Same here around these edges. There's so you know, it's not, doesn't sit out. It's kind of probably a 1/16 of an inch or less out there. And you know, it's could be just tolerances and all that. When I was actually putting it in, it was a little bit tight on the screw placement tolerances, but it got in after wiggling it. Same with this side. The one thing, the rubber was a little bit off right here, and it's short on this side, so not a big deal. If I really got really anal about it, I would just peel it off and re-glue it if I had time. You know, this side, same, you know, same kind of fitment around the edges, and then that big old gasket hanging off there that some people on Club Lexus were complaining about there. So you can see the gasket could have been smaller, a little bit tighter. But overall, very happy with the output and you know, the look of it. Very makes it look a lot more modern.